Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to install Ubuntu alongside Windows without using any pendrive, DVD or external disk drives. So without further more delay, let's begin. So before proceeding, you need to have a Windows operating system being installed in your respective computer. Then after that, you need to have two more things. The first thing, you need to have a Ubuntu operating system ISO file, and the second thing you need to have is the UB for Windows. So to get this, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for the application name as UB for Windows. When you search this application in the Google search, you will see a tons of websites for downloading. So you can see here releases Hakuna M UBFI. This is our official developer website. Just click on it and you can see here UB for Ubuntu. Just scroll down below. Now you will see here a file .exe. If it is not shown, you can see this kind of option. Just click on it. If it is not shown directly, then you need to download this file, the first one .exe. So firstly you download the UB, then the second thing, once again you search Ubuntu in the Google search and you will see its official website ubuntu.com. just click on it. Now you can see here get Ubuntu, just click on it. Now here you will see tons of Ubuntu flavors, right? So you can see here tons of options, but you need to click here Ubuntu desktop. Just click on it. It will take you to the download page. Now you can see the latest version, the stable version is here. You can click on the download and you can get a newer version also. Even the 21.04 is available right now, so you can click on download. Any version of Ubuntu you can download and use in this tricks. So you download the respective Ubuntu operating system ISO files. Then after getting all the required files, now what you need to do, say you have downloaded the required files, right? So I have downloaded already the Ubuntu operating ISO file. So you can see the first one, and the second thing is the UB installer, right? So you need to put both the files in the same folder. So let us create one folder. Say just create a folder name as Ubuntu. You can give any name. So for the reference, I'm just giving a Ubuntu. Now we'll just drag these two files in the similar folder. So you can see we have put the Ubuntu ISO file and also the Ubuntu UB installer in the same folder, right? So now what you need to do, you need to just run or open the UB installer. So you can see here. So before proceeding, just let me turn off the internet connection. So you can see your installation drive. So where you want to install your Ubuntu, in your C drive or D drive. I'll just keep in the C drive, and installation size, how much size you want to use for your respective Ubuntu. So you can choose here maximum up to 128 GB. So you can choose depending upon your needs how much space you want to use for your Ubuntu operating system alongside with your Windows. So I'll just keep it as default. Now you can see here desktop environment, just keep it as it is, and you can see my username. You can change your username also and just type the password. Give any password depending upon your needs and just re-verify it. And once your all settings are done, you can just click on install. Now it will start copying installation files, everything. Just you need to wait for some seconds or minutes until it's analyzing everything. So let us close this window and wait until the complete processing gets complete. So finally it's asking to reboot now, so we need to reboot it now. So finally we have rebooted, so we need to wait for some minutes until it gets rebooted. So finally the system has rebooted, so wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see, so completing the Ubuntu installation. So finally you can see Ubuntu Studio, it started, the installer has started. So wait for a few more seconds. So it's processing now, so you can see on the right up, it's processing. So wait for a few more seconds until the installer screen gets appeared. Finally you can see Ubuntu Studio has appeared. So finally you can see the Ubuntu desktop screen has finally appeared, and on the left corner you can see the install Ubuntu. As you can see on the left corner, you can see install Ubuntu. Just double click it. So finally the installer has started. So I'll just proceed with the installation guide here. So you can see here options to install alongside. So I'll just choose the install alongside option. So now you can proceed with the installations, and finally you can install your respective Ubuntu operating system alongside with Windows without using any pendrive, DVD or external disk drive, using these cool tricks. And if you never known about this cool tricks how to do it, so you can try this cool tricks to install Ubuntu alongside Windows without using any pendrive, DVD or external disk drive in your respective Windows computer. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.